Hi guys, this is me, Kyle. We are playing Thocky Keyboard Tower. If you wanna join me, something. So yeah, I'm playing this game. I forgot what to say, but I'll just say anything I want to say. So yeah, I'm trying to actually do this tower. I'm actually bad at towers. I've been waiting for so long to know how to edit. So this is gonna be my first ever Roblox video, obby video. So this will be it sometime. This is like a 8-minute video. Please don't hate me. Please don't hate on me. Please don't hate on me. Please don't hate on me. Bruh. 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 I'm trying to, guys, please don't be confused why I'm saying bruh. I'm trying to test my mic because I'm on a literal 50-year-old PC. So yeah, to edit this. So yeah, one time I really thought this was actually a thing. I really thought this was just not non-disappearing block, but I realized it was an actual non-disappearing block. Now I'm at checkpoint 2. Wait a second. Oh yeah. Bro, that's my sister. Don't mind my sister. So yeah, this is gonna be it. Oh, I fell down. I gotta rest peace. Bro, I'm gonna fall. Yeah, I fall. Guys, if you wanna play with me, my name is in the description. It's kwikfruit. Sometimes I'll be online. I'll be checking my friends list. If you wanna play with me, I'll always be active playing games. Sometimes I won't be playing games because because there's a power outage. Bro, I fell again. What did I just thought I'd never be here. I don't mind. So yeah, I'll be going on and on playing lots of games. If you wanna friend me, why would they keep on saying if you wanna friend me? This is gonna be so hard. I'm not even focusing on playing the game. Just talking. Bro, the lag spike. Bro, did you see that lag spike? Bro, did you see that lag spike? Sorry, but there was a huge gap and that didn't show. Oh, bro, there's a huge gap. I can't hear. Bro. Sorry for that because my mic. What is happening to my mic right now? I gotta cut some things after doing this video. So yeah, I'm trying to beat the obby. Tell me how much I said that. Tell me how many times I stuttered throughout the video.
You've reached like 100. That penalty will be soon.
No, bro, not my death penalty, bro. Now she's gonna say something very something I do not like, bro. So yeah, my sister.
112.
112, bro. 112, bro. Sorry for the 112 for just saying to 112. So yeah, I'll be keeping going this. I'll be playing more games than you expected because those games are what I like. If you like the game I'm playing, then bro, you're cool. What the sigma did I just do? I had the most bad thing, bro. I just this may be my first I'm going to yeah, this is the area where I'm gonna end the video. So yeah, This took me like 3 minutes right now because we're into 5 minutes. So yeah. Wait, let me try something new. Okay, I did some editing and yeah, it's good, it's good. So yeah, this is the part where I'm gonna actually die sometimes because this is the part where I just ended my video. Yeah, this part is very hard to do. If you're a pro master like me but isn't actually a very pro master, then you are Sigma. So yeah, this I might end my video trying to do this. I'll be making other videos about other games. So yeah. So sorry for the lag. This is my first ever Roblox video. I'm only playing another game. Than my usual because I'm playing this game for a record. You'll definitely see me not playing sometimes because I'm for 10 days straight. So yeah, you can expect me back in 10 days. You can expect me in 10 days. You can expect me in 2 days actually. So I won't be talking for a bit because this will be a bit long. So you just watch me play. Guys, I'm back. It might have been very long because I was drinking some water and my kitchen is
My kitchen is on fire! Sans, I burnt the water!
Bro, what the Sigma? Can you be quiet? Like trying to.
I burnt the water!
I'm trying to make a video right now.
You literally said kitchen, so there's no way I could have said that I burnt the water without you saying kitchen.
Guys, can you guys please give me some mentors in the can you guys please give my sister some therapy in the comments? I need it, please. Anybody who actually gives me therapy will be liked and pinned on the comment. If you're lucky, then I might pin.
Your video,
Bro, I have 9 views on one of my channels. That was the very cringe.
Except for you.
Bro, why, bro? Bro, why? No face reveal anymore. And no more voice reveal now. Bruh. Okay, I'll try to post some things while I'm gone because I'll be playing basketball, tennis, and more. So bye bye and